welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing a haul video from Zara, AliExpress, and who else? And a new company that I've discovered called Native. None of these items were sponsored. Just to give you guys a heads up, I purchased everything with my own money and nothing was sponsored. And I will try to leave everything in the description bar below, so be sure to check that out if you want to also get some of the things that I purchased. Originally this was supposed to just be a Zara haul, but I did not buy that much stuff from Zara, so I couldn't actually just make one video just about the stuff from Zara. So that's why I wanted to include some other purchases that I made. I haven't shared them on my Instagram or anything like that, so I will put them in this video. And while we're on the topic of Instagram, don't forget to check out my feed. It will be somewhere here on the screen, maybe over here, I don't know yet. But yeah, definitely check out my Instagram and follow me if you want to. Also, I want to give a big thank you to my subscribers because we are almost at 10K, which is super crazy to me. But I want to give you guys a big thank you for staying with me and following me and always just giving me positive input. And on that note, let us jump right into the haul. So actually, this blouse that I'm wearing, it is from Zara. I already did a haul on this before, so definitely go check out one of my Zara haul because this was in it. But the actual item that I want to show you is the jeans that I have on right now. They were on sale, and I will say majority of the items that I got from Zara were on sale. They were having this huge sale on German Zara. I think I picked these jeans up for 15.99 euros, and on the ticket it says like it was originally like 100 and something euros, which is insane. I'm sorry, I can't buy jeans for 100 euros. I'm too much of a bargain hunter and too much of my mom's daughter to ever do that. So this is the jeans. I've kind of just paired it with that white shirt, tucked in half of it. We need a half in, half out. But if I get a little bit closer, you can see that there are buttons all the way up here. It is super duper high-waisted. Goes all the way back there. That is what it says. You can also see it's kind of cropped here at the bottom, so you don't have to roll it up. I'm also a really short girl. I'm just 5'4", so I really love that these did not go all the way to the ground. So the other items that I got were actually all perfumes, and I'm really excited to share them because I am a hardcore perfume addict, but I am quite specific in what I like. I like musk, I like cinnamon, I like vanilla, mainly vanilla, but I'm in that range. I picked up this perfume. I did some research on YouTube. Yeah, I decided to pick up this specific perfume because they were all raving about how it is, you know, with cinnamon and musk, and it's like a smell that smells expensive. Again, I will link everything in the description below. So this is the perfume. I absolutely love this packaging. How chic is that? How does it not? It kind of like matches my aesthetic. I just love this. And I think it was $12.95 or something like that. But just look how cute that bottle is. So on first smell, I really do smell the musk and the hint of vanilla. And there really is something spicy in this perfume, which I love. Let me just spray it on my arm so that I can, you know, warm it up and give you guys a more accurate scent. I'm not good with describing scents, but like I said, if you like cinnamon, vanilla, musk, this is it for you. And it does smell a bit expensive. If you walk past me, I would not think this is just a $12.95, you know, Zara bottle. Yes, but there's something also a little bit floral about it. Not floral in a way that I hate because I don't like floral, but floral in a way that is also girly. That's fire. So the next things that I picked up from Zara were these two perfumes because they were on sale, I think for $9.95 for both of these bottles. So yeah, I got these on sale. This is the box that it comes in. Let me just open it for you guys and show you. But let's start with the rose. I mean, I like it. I think I would wear it on a nice summery day with like a flowy dress. It kind of really does have that rose smell, but also like a powdery rose smell. This one smells good. I think it would smell way better on the skin because it does smell spicy. I can smell the cinnamon. You know what, let me just spray. I don't like to spray too much perfume, but let's just do it in the back of my hand. Rub that in. That one is really nice. I really smell the spice in here, but again, it smells girly. So it does not smell like this is a spice for a man. It smells like this is a nice, sexy spice for a woman. Okay, so moving on to AliExpress. I just have one item from AliExpress to show you. And if you saw in the thumbnail, it's going to be these really cute, fluffy fur slippers. So these are the slippers. I obviously wear them, you know, inside the house. This is not to go outside, but these are so cute. This is not real fur or anything. So I got them in a size 7.5, and honestly I should have got like a size 6.5 to 7. I would definitely size down. I thought these would fit me perfectly, but they're kind of a little bit big, but nothing to make it, you know, unbearable to walk in. But I absolutely love these shoes. They are so cute. So on to the last 3 items. This is from another company called Native. I'm finding that in Germany, you're not finding a lot of like stick deodorants that are good. If you do find stick deodorant, it's like the original like Dove, and it doesn't really have everything you need, and it's just like 2 types of stick deodorant, and I need like heavy duty stick deodorant that will like stop all my sweat, stop any smells from underneath me. I need that type of deodorant, and I picked up 3 of their deodorants. 2 are in the vanilla and coconut scent, and then 1 is in the citrus and herbal musk scent. And so right now I've only used the vanilla and coconut smell, and when I say like I use it from the morning, and then at the end of the day, like, you smell nothing. It just smells still fresh. I was appalled in a good way. The scent lasted all day. I couldn't believe it. But basically, paraben-free, aluminum-free, cruelty-free, and the smell is just intoxicating. Guys, so we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed all the items, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in a next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you guys soon.